Severe storms are expected to soak parts of California and the Pacific Northwest through the middle of next week. The first large atmospheric river of the season is expected to pump western regions with heavy rain and deep snow. Forecasters say back-to-back bomb cyclones over the ocean will drive the river in the sky to the coastline. Residents should beware of the potential for flash floods, high winds, debris flows, and even mudslides. Joining us now is CBS News meteorologist and climate specialist Jeff Berardelli. Jeff, atmospheric rivers, bomb cyclones, all that sounds pretty alarming. What's going on?
Remember the Pineapple Express? Essentially, an atmospheric river is the Pineapple Express. This is kind of the new name for it. But yeah, this is a really tumultuous and energetic pattern across the Pacific Ocean. In fact, let me step out of the way so you can see this. Look at that storm that moves into Ketchikan. So it comes from the Pacific Ocean. It's this, really strong storm. That's a really strong one. The next one tomorrow is going to be even stronger. In fact, it's going to be the equivalent of a Category 3 hurricane. And what it's doing is it's roughing up the seas. So look at this, 30 to 50 foot waves just offshore. So the surf is going to be really rough along the west coast. Now, in addition to that, we have this really strong atmospheric river. That's the Pineapple Express. So it's taking moisture from deep in the tropics near Hawaii, pushing it like a fire hose. Look at how narrow it is. Look at how concentrated that moisture is right into Central California. So that's where the real focus is going to be. San Francisco, give or take, during the day tomorrow and tomorrow night, and then it will move into Southern California and weaken a little bit. But this is kind of a sight for sore eyes, right? I mean, we're going from what has been the worst drought in modern history, and no exaggeration, in many cases, the worst drought that we've seen in 1,200 years in the West. And at least for California, not the whole West, but at least for California, this is going to make a dent. I mean, the ground can absorb a lot of rain right now because it's so dry. And it's not going to solve the drought by any means. We're going to need 10, 20 of these for it to happen. But it'll help, and help is what we need right now in California and really all across the West. This is going to be a big one for California, but it's also going to come with flooding.
Well, less good the flooding, but of course, some of the places that you're talking about have been dealing with wildfires for months. Presumably, the torrential rain will have a positive effect until it sort of goes too far in the other direction. Tell us more about that.
Yeah, so what we'd rather see is rain kind of spread out over the course of weeks and months. That's how it really kind of gets into the ground and it really benefits California. Instead, we're getting everything in 24 to 36 hours. And that can cause flooding, especially in places where there are burn scars. A burn scar changes the terrain. It makes, first of all, less likely for the water to kind of seep into the ground. Second of all, the trees that are normally there kind of holding everything together like glue, those trees are weak, they're dead in many cases, and so the ground just gives way and we see debris flows. It's not just water, it's mud, it's debris, and so those are very dangerous. So near burn scars, that's where we're most concerned. So watch how the rain really increases tonight. Here we are later tonight, tomorrow morning. Again, flooding is most likely near debris scars and those debris flows. Take a look at tomorrow afternoon. Look at that fire hose of rain right into Central California. And then eventually that will work into Southern California as we head into Monday, probably bring about an inch of rain to Los Angeles. Not a lot, but we'll take an inch of rain. That's a decent amount for Los Angeles for sure. But look at this. 4 to 8 inches of rain in general from the Bay Area northward. 3 to 5 feet of snow in the mountains. And some places will pick up as much as a foot of rain. So this is much needed rain. But what's really interesting is, remember, we're on a dime going from the driest period that we've pretty much ever seen in the West, or one of them, to what is an extraordinary atmospheric river. This is just not an ordinary atmospheric river. This is about as strong as they get, and that's what climate change does. It adds energy to the system. It makes droughts droutier, if you will, and it makes floods floodier. And so you tend to see this weather whiplash, and there's been research that weather whiplash increases because the intensity of these extremes increases.
Weather whiplash. All right, so that's what's happening out west. Jeff, what's happening in the east?
So there's a storm out ahead of it right now, and it's going to be tapping into a lot of really warm air and a lot of moisture down here. So as we head into tomorrow afternoon and evening, storms will develop. Mississippi Valley could be some severe weather. That eventually moves into the Tennessee Valley as severe weather on Sunday night and into Monday morning, then moves to the East Coast. And this is just the first in a series of storminess on the eastern seaboard. So if you live on the eastern seaboard, you're not going to love the weather forecast over the next week. There'll be some breaks. And we want breaks so we can see the fall foliage. Fall foliage is like 2+ weeks behind. Let me show you across the country. In the Northeast, we're past peak only in the highest elevations and right near the Canadian border. Otherwise, we're near peak or approaching peak right now, which is great across portions of the Northeast. That's especially true in the upper plain states, the upper Midwest. Wherever you see the really dark shades, that's where we're past peak right now. But Minneapolis, some great colors around you. In the Rockies, obviously, we're past peak. But anybody else right now, we are near peak. So this is the perfect time of year to head out and take a look at some of the fall foliage, because before you know it, 2-3 weeks from now, it's gone.
It's a good reminder to just get out there and enjoy nature. All right, Jeff, thank you.
You're welcome.